Once you have registered for your free System.io account, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your entire settings is done properly. In this video, I'm going to talk about how exactly to set up your custom domain whereby you don't have to use a subdomain provided by System.io and you can start using your own custom domain, plus how exactly to input your personalized email address so that whenever your recipients are receiving all your emails, it does not come from just a Gmail account. Otherwise, most of the emails will just land into the spam folder or will still get bounced. Inside your System.io dashboard, head over to this icon here, click on Settings. The first thing you need to make sure is your entire profile settings have been set up, including your full name, your last name, your country, so on and so forth. The second part will be your account settings, set over to the correct time zone, the date format that you prefer, as well as the time format of your preference. Next, scroll down the menu, go under Custom Domains. As you can see over here, this is a subdomain of System.io. So I'm going to click on Add Domain. Now, when you click on your domain name, remember to put in the 3 Ws, followed by the domain name, which I shall use one of my domain as an example. Then click on Save. Immediately, you will see two different CNAME records that's coming out here. You have to insert both CNAME records into your respective domain's DNS. In our case, we are using Bluehost. So heading over to Bluehost here, under Domains, search for My Domains. This is the domain that I was using. Click on Manage, DNS. Scroll down until you see CNAME. Click Add Record. Now they're asking you for the host record, the point to, as well as the TTL option. So heading back over to System.io, I'm going to copy this entire portion, but don't copy the dot at the end. And over here, paste the record. Points to, so same thing over here, copy this entire portion without the last dot there. Ctrl V, TTL, I will select 4 hours. Right, after you have done this, hit the save button. So for my case, I'm not going to do that because this is not the domain I wish to integrate to my account. Now the next one will be the second records over here. Now over here, you don't have to copy after all this dot portion. You just have to copy this portion here. All right, Ctrl C. Going back again to here, make sure it's a CNAME record. So instead of this, we are going to paste this host record here. As you can see, after the dot, everything I did not paste into it. All right, so just this highlighted portion here. For this portion, copy the entire thing. Again, minus away the dot there. This entire portion, Ctrl C. Head over to here. Then Ctrl V. All right, TTL same for 4 hours. And remember to hit the save button again. These are the two CNAME records that you need to add into your respective domain's DNS records. Now, please make sure that they're under the CNAME records, and after you have added them, wait for about 12 to 24 hours, your domain will be ready to use. So in case you realize that this is the wrong domain that you have added, just head over to these 3 horizontal dots and click on Remove. Confirm. Right, it will take about 10 minutes for them to remove this entire domain. Next, let's talk about how to add in your personalized email address into System.io. Go under Mailing Settings. Over here, click here to confirm your sender's email address. Click on that. Now add in your own personalized email address. So for example, I can put in support at sayby9to5.com. Alright. Now once you click on the save button, there will be an email that will be sent into this particular email address. Make sure you click on that link in this email in the inbox itself. So under Bluehost, go under Advanced, go under Emails, and look for that particular email address that you have already entered. Make sure you check the email inbox and click on the link provided by System.io. If not, this status will always stay as pending and will never be verified. I hope this simple video shows you how to easily add your own custom domain and personalized email address into System.io, and I'll see you in part 3.